Okay, we assign currency and valuation profile. Valuation profile is already made, and controlling area will be ST61. ST61 currency and valuation profile are already assigned, which is a good thing. And define ledger for CO version and position ST61. Okay, ST61 has the leading ledger. Okay, that is good. And then we have material ledger settings, assign currency types and define material ledger types. This is necessary. Why is it necessary? I'll tell you that. That's the next step. ST61 ST61 and ML type PT63 ST61, and let's save it. Okay, this is done. ML type ST61. Now material currency valuation and material ledger are basically to control the pricing, the valuation of the inventory that is in use, in stock, in consumption, and it is maintained in different currencies. That is the material ledger. So that being configured, then we can move forward with making material master. Okay. Assign material ledger to valuation area. Now this is an important step. And ST61. Okay, new entries. ST61, ST61. Valuation area is your plant. So automatically it abstracts the company code because it is integrated. Okay. Okay. Activate valuation areas for material ledger. Last step before we actually make our material master. Activate. Position ST61. Two, price determination is 2, which means it will be price of the material will be determined on the each update of in and out of inventory, addition and reduction of inventory. That is general entries. Every general entry will impact the price. Material ledger is active. Now we can make our activate material ledger. It's done. So let's MM01 industry sector mechanical engineering, and let's take raw material, select views, Okay, plant ST61. I hope it does not put in any objection again. Okay, 531 will be your material number. Okay, let's say rack base unit of measure will be material group will be PK raw and what else? Unit of weight will be kg. Basic data. Basic data. Okay, we don't have anything more. Just these are some ornamental details. Okay, PK raw division. We can add division, but we'll keep it empty. And purchasing. If you see the symbol, these are the views that we have selected while in the first screen, if you remember. Ordering unit will keep it empty. Purchasing group. I believe we have made a purchasing group for ST61. Okay, ST6. Purchasing group. This purchasing group will be responsible for procuring this material. Batch management. No, we don't need batch management right now. Automatic PO. Yes, it will generate automatic PO. Okay. Plant data storage one. Okay, you base unit of measure, each unit of issue will keep it empty, and container requirements, temperature conditions, and okay, accounting each division. Valuation class is very important. This is for integration with GL, whether you're procuring GL, you're consuming GL, whether it's raw material, semi-finished good, finished good, valuation class actually plays a very crucial role. Moving price 100, standard price is 110. And we also have a profit center, but where is profit center? Anyways, profit center is not here. ML active, it's not showing that. Anyways, costing. Okay, material origin. This is used for costing purposes. Yeah, profit center is here. Costing two. Okay, costing two. This is where your product costing prices are updated. Save. Okay, availability check. No check. Okay, 531 has been created. Next step will be, of course, in the next step, we'll see in purchasing. We'll start with source listing info record. In the next lecture, we'll have to make a vendor also, and we'll go through the vendor master data as well. Okay. So we are done with the material